The GameStop saga is accelerating and the financial elite are big mad. So to recap, a hedge fund called Melvin Capital had a huge short position on GameStop, a bet that the stock would plummet. So then the Wall Street Bets Reddit community responded by buying the stock en masse, forcing Melvin to take a massive loss. By hyping the stock on a message board, huge numbers of people organized into one buying block were able to have a huge impact on the market. This has been hailed as a populist takeover of Wall Street that will have huge repercussions going forward.
For years, the short sellers have colluded amongst themselves, used the media and more to manipulate markets and specific stocks by forcing massive runs on well-meaning companies, all so that they can make billions on the flip side. None of this has anything to do with creating value, making money in a good fashion, or anything of production. It is simply leeching off the American financial system to the tune of hundreds of billions of dollars for a select group of the financial elite. And for years, they've run the table. Until now, where the first populist uprising in finance just toppled a few select Wall Street titans.
But the financial elite is characterizing it as a dangerous new precedent. And they're now calling on authorities to launch a crackdown.
Where are the regulators?
But forget about crackdown. Over on CNBC, Jim Cramer is having a meltdown.
We want the stock. We want the stock.
The Redditors, meanwhile, think CNBC and other financial networks are lying in reporting that Melvin has closed out of its GameStop short position. They're vowing not to sell the stock, telling their 3 million strong Wall Street Bets community to hold firm. Multiple brokerages have also reported technical issues preventing people from trading in GameStop, announcements which have also been met with skepticism by the Redditors. Basically, there now appears to be a deliberate effort to slow or halt trading to protect Wall Street hedge fund billionaires, which makes it all the more ironic that Redditors are being accused of manipulating the markets when that's what insiders do on a regular basis. It's okay when we do it. Oh yeah, and the mainstream media blue check marks are freaking out on Twitter, with one trying to poison the well by claiming Nazis on Telegram are also buying GameStop.
I can report from the Telegram channels that the Nazis appear to be trading GameStop and AMC as well.
I can report that Hitler also liked dogs. No, only we can manipulate the stock market. Over on Wall Street Bets, investors are celebrating how the GameStop windfall has enabled them to afford expensive vet bills and medical treatment costs for their family. Now Redditors are expanding their mission to invest in other stocks hated by hedge funds, including Nokia, AMC, Tootsie Roll, and BlackBerry. Despite growing calls by establishment talking heads to have the SEC move against Redditors, for the time being at least, the show goes on.
The show goes on!